An epic commercial for a box of Kleenex. I had a lot of fun doing this one, and this is the first of 12 commercials that I'll be doing, so I really appreciate all the support with you guys holding me accountable on this commercial filmmaking journey. So here goes the final product in 3, 2, 1. I love being a dad, but ever since I became one, I've noticed one thing. All of my sneezes are out of control. I've tried countless things, and nothing seems to work. That is, until I found Dad Strength Kleenex. Now, I can sneeze freely, without worrying about messing anything up. Kleenex, Dad tested, Dad approved.